Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isao Kamaldin and this is the segment of the YouTube channel called the Train Trades episode. We are come to analyze the forex market and give you guys the potential trading opportunities in the market. Today this is quite in the midnight. So I said to myself, since I'm going to have a busy day, I will at least come to give you guys the potential trading opportunities for next week. So we've gone on to make some couple of profits, which I'm going to explain how we did it, or the analysis behind it. I'm going to expose everything right now. So just sit back and enjoy the video. So we are on USD JPY or the 4 hours time frame. So I'm going to go over to the weekly time frame to break down the charts from the weekly time frame so you guys can get to understand. So what's with what's with USD JPY? So we drew our Fibonacci. This is an uptrend. So as you guys know, whenever there is the market is trending, it will at least retrace for pullbacks. Like it will make some impulsive move, then retractive move. So when the market made an impulsive move all the way to the upside, we just drew our Fibonacci retracement level. You guys know how powerful this level is. I've discussed about how powerful it is couple of times on this channel. So so you guys know how powerful the level is. And to those new to my channel, um I can make a video on how you can draw your Fibonacci to, on how you can also how you can also design it just to look the way mine looks. As you guys see, it is like it is not there's no too many lines on it. I really have the most important tools, which is 0.5 the retracement level, 0.61 is retracement level, and the Fibonacci extension level. So if you guys would like me to made a video on how the Fibonacci level works on, and also how you can do it like mine, please kindly put the comments in the comment section. So and I'm going to do just that for you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like, so YouTube can get to recommend my videos to people. So I will really appreciate that. And you can get to see more of this Trade Trends episode whenever it comes out. So sometimes take um I take trades or I call trades. So if you are seeing this video late, you won't be able to take part in the trade, and then you'll be losing you'll be losing or you'll be losing some money you could have made. So please just make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So in the last trade trends episode, we caught some trade, and this trade has went on to make those lot of money, and this is what I'm trying to analyze now. So the market made an impulsive move. So this is the retractive move. We are expecting the market, it came around there. I was expecting the market to give us at least a chart pattern to signify to us that yes, I'm ready to go back all the way to the upside. The market didn't do that, it just spiked on its way to the upside. So the market came here. So I was not feeling convenient to buy this trade around there. So I just drew a level at the top here, at the resistance level here. So I said to myself, if at all the market is going to break above, or if the market is at all is ready to go the way to the upside, it will at least come and break this level here and clear it. Although the market broke through this level, but it doesn't clear it. So it seems something like a double top to me. So I was just sitting on my hands, then the market came to the downside and all. So when the market was around there, the market came to this. As you guys, I don't know if you guys can see. I'm just kindly going to go all the way to the daily time frame. So I don't know if you guys can see this level here. This is also an impulsive move to the downside. So, and like I said earlier, whenever there is an impulsive move, there will be a retractive move too. So this is a retractive move, but we can't just enter because, like I said, guys, before I enter any trade, it will at least give us like a chart pattern that yes, I'm ready to go all the way to the upside. Although this time it gave us a chart pattern, but the chart pattern was not valid because if I don't know if you guys can look closely, this is left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So the market was not able to break this neckline. And as you guys know, one thing about neckline, I've discussed on here about this particular thing. One thing about neckline, if um if the neckline of the chart pattern does not break, that means that chart pattern is not valid. So in this case, the markets couldn't broke below the trend line. So I knew something was wrong. So I just drew my I do since immediately I noticed that the market couldn't broke above our neckline. I knew something was wrong. I knew we are due for a change. So this, if you should look closely, this is also like a double bottom. I'm just going to go lower to the 4 hours time frame so you guys can get to see better. So this the market is supposed to come and break this neckline here, but the market didn't do just that. Like the market was not able to break and went ahead to give us another double bottom. So it is two double bottom, like it is double bottom inside of a double bottom. I don't know if you guys get the point. This is double bottom, and this two, yeah, this is also a move here, and this two like double bottom is also a move. So that's two double bottom, two two chart pattern. So in this case, the market came and broke this level. I was hoping to long from here, but I wasn't just convenient with what I'm saying here because I don't, if you guys should, or like you guys know the strategy I use countdown trend line break strategy, and in this case it doesn't break nicely. Like it was just struggling to break. So the market came into the trend line one more time. So although at this point I was being skeptical, like not really skeptical, but I was just like, if at all the market is going to go all the way to the upside, it will at least come and like it will at least come to break the countdown trend line one more time, because in this case I don't actually see it, so it doesn't break through it. Like it was struggling. If you guys should see all the candles there, like you can see it's got rejected there this year, although it broke through it, but like it was followed by a red candle. So it was just struggling to break that level. So I won't really say it is a counter trend line break. So the market came into this zone here. So I said to myself, this is since the market couldn't break below, that means we are up we are up for we are going to the upside. That's very certain since the market is low. So and one rules about the chart pattern is that if at all the market won't be able to break below, it will at least come to the neckline. So that's the thing. That's the philosophy of trading that has went on to make us some couple of profits in this trade. So I said to myself, if at all the market is not going to break, is not going to play out, that is, it might not go all the way to the upside. This chart pattern, these two chart pattern might not, this move and this move might not play out. It will at least come to the neckline here. And where is the neckline? This is the neckline. Although so the counter trend line, it wasn't able to break it. So I said to myself, all I have to do right now is to do nothing crazy, just to wait for this trade to come above this counter trend line one more time, then I will be considering buying this trade. So when the market came here, like broke through this broke through the counter trend line one more time. I don't know if you guys can see this candle here, this first bullish candle. I entered from there, then I placed my stop loss below this level here, because I said this is the last level for it. So I placed my level below this. I just put my, so the market has been reacting on that level. So gladly I place my stop loss below it. So the market went ahead to go, and the market went spiked all the way to the upside. So this point here, I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know. It is I'm trying to highlight the place. But what I'm trying to say, this is there is a pullback around there. You guys should see, you guys should look my arrow. So there is a pullback around there. So I noticed it is also 100% retracement level for some levels here. If I should do my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low around there, you get to see. So I noticed it is also a Fibonacci retracement level for that move. So I entered, I add to my trades, and the market went ahead to make us lot of profits, as you guys can see here. Like the market went ahead to make us lot of profit there. So that's for USDJPY. I also have another trade on Solana. You guys know, like, if you should check my last trade trends episode, I did the analysis on Solana, and I was very, very certain that Solana is ready to go all the way to the ups. Like, is ready to go all the way to the downside. So, and we were able to short the Solana. Although the first time we missed the trade, but thanks to goodness, this second time we were able to profit off the trade. So I'm just going to explain to you guys like very quickly, so I can get to give you today's analysis, so you guys will go ahead and make a lot of money in the coming week. So I'm just going to go all over there. So what's happening on Solana? Let me go to the sorry guys. I think I have a bit of running nose. I should go to the weekly time frame. So what's happening on Solana? As you guys can see, this is the all time high for Solana. So the market came around there. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. This seems like this is a double top. So the market came here, there is a neckline here. So the market spiked all the way to the upside there. Again, like it take out like this. Well, the what happens in this case is what we call market manipulation, because this is the first move. The markets, they know, like, they are very, very sure that this is a resistance level, and most people will be selling off resistance. So the market came here and like take out all the stop losses. That the high was even higher than the previous side, and like it was very, very high. So it took out everyone's stop losses. Thank God I'm not in this trade, because one thing that saves me, it is my root that saves me in this case, because I said to myself, if there's no any chart pattern, I'm not entering this trade. So in this trade, in this particular case rather, if I should have sold off this level, it is all that's me going against my rules. So I didn't do that. So the market came to break the neckline. As you guys know, like I said, the only time a chart pattern will be valid is if the market breaks the neckline. So in this case, neckline was broken. Then we came back to retest on the neckline. See, guys, see what I'm talking about. So we came back to retest on the neckline. We came back to retest on the neckline, and that's when I entered this trade. So I'm just going to go all over to the daily time frame, so you guys can get to see better. I'm sorry, guys. As you guys, like I said earlier, this is midnight, and I'm just waking up. So um I'm not just that's just me when I wake up sometimes. So this trade, we came back to a test on the neckline, as you guys can see, and we also formed a double top on the where we came to retest on the neckline. This is the neckline. This is the neckline. So the market broke through it, and in this case came back here, give the first move, give the second move. If you guys can notice, it also took out this the market manipulation also plays out in this case, because this side was higher than the previous one. Although it wasn't like too much, like, but it is that's what we call market manipulation. That they are taking out the dump money traders. So the I wasn't even noticing this at the time. So the market played out. So I noticed was that there's I should have entered from here, but even if I entered, I wouldn't have made as much profit as I did in this. So I noticed another move again. So like I said, after an impulsive move, there will be a retractive move. So this is a retractive move, and it is also right at the Fibonacci retracement level. I don't know if you, oh sorry guys, oh sorry guys, I just have to go to um fast time frame. I made a mistake. So I don't know if you guys can see, this is also at the right 0.618 level. So the market, I was supposed to enter from here. I wasn't able to enter from here. So the market came to the 100% retracement. But I said to myself, if I thought the market is going to go all the way to the downside, or at least this is a move, it will give another retractive move, and then I drew my Fibonacci level from here to here. You guys can see it is right at that level. Then I just short to this thing. There's also a demand level around there. You guys know I have highlighted this zone before. So if I should go all over to the 2 hours time frame, I think I just need to go as- So if I should go there, you guys can see that there is also a demand level here. So, and this is also a retest on the country line break. So I just smashed this. Like, we made a lot of profit from this trade. So enough about the trades I make. I only have couple of minutes left. So I'm just going to explain like the next trade we are about to take, which is GP GPB JPY. I don't know, by weekend if I have much more time, I'm going to come and analyze more for you guys, because 4 minutes can't be enough for me to explain this trade, because I have lots of juicy trades for you guys. So I'm just going to do what I have to do now. So hopefully later in the week I'm just going to come here. So what's happening in this case? This is similar to USD JPY. So the market is, this is a Fibonacci level playing out. If I should draw clearly, I think I just need to be fast with the analysis. So if I should draw clearly, this is also, it is similar to USD JPY case. So the market is playing out the Fibonacci level. So it is on its way to the upside. Then market got around there, it's formed a double top. So I said to myself, probably we wants to come back to this level to test this level much more, one more time, before we got the way to the upside. But the market has, ever since then, the market has just been ranging. So I sold this market to this point there. Then I see that this market is not ready to go. It was just consolidating, probably like any political event. That's the cause of this. I'm not sure. I'm going to be very honest. I'm not sure. But all I noticed is that the market was not ready to go due to the downside, because the market came down around there. I was like, finally, we are ready to go due to the downside. The market didn't do that. So the market was just playing around. Then I noticed something. I noticed a channel, which I do. I noticed a channel, but the market, like, this level here, the market was about to break through the channel. It is the same case as the USD JPY. The market didn't do that. It came back into the channel. Then one more time, the market broke through it one more time. So I said to myself that if at all I'm going to trade this trade, although the next level target is up, because obviously the next major level target is um 199.130. But I said to myself, this is also a minor level, an important minor level, which has stopped the market from going to the upside one couple of time before. Because if you guys notice, this is 1, 2, and 3. So I'm just going to do is to chew a daily candle close above this level here. That's what I'm going to use to enter this trade. Let me put all over to the fast time frame so you guys can get to see. So like I said, the market, you can see this level has stopped this market from going all the way to the upside a couple of times. So what we just have to do is that a daily candle close above this level here. You guys can see, like, the 4 hours level has even closed above, but end up coming back into this zone, because this is more or less like a range. So this is more or less like a range. So a daily candle, we'll be very sure we are ready to go, because the 4 hours candle has been breached. Like, it closes above but end up coming inside. So it didn't really break it. So a daily candle close above, then we are going to be sure. Then let me check the potential targets. So I'll just check something like that. Something like this, just to know. and where our stop loss is going to be. Then our stop loss should be around here. So is this is one more or less like 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So the thing is, guys, please make sure there is a daily candle close above. Make sure there is a daily candle close above before entering